Welcome to the pinnacle of luxury living in Sydney. Perched atop the Harrington Collection in the iconic Rocks district, this exceptional penthouse spans the top 2 floors, offering an expansive 483 square metres of sophisticated living with unrivaled views of Sydney's iconic harbour. The vast open-plan living and dining area, framed by floor-to-ceiling glass, presents breathtaking panoramas that bring the vibrant harbour scenes right into your home. The state-of-the-art kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring sleek marble finishes, premium Wolf gas appliances, a sub-zero fridge freezer, and a separate wine fridge. Step outside onto the expansive 139 square metre terrace, where luxury continues with a sunbathed space that includes an integrated barbecue and a spa. Each bedroom serves as a private retreat, appointed with deluxe marble ensuites. The master suite elevates this further with a boutique-style walk-in robe and exquisite design touches that echo throughout the residence. This penthouse is not just a residence. It's a statement of elite living right in the heart of one of the world's most beautiful cities.